Qinux Aquoxis is being promoted as a powerful, portable pressure washer that claims to deliver high-pressure cleaning without needing a bulky machine. But the real question is whether it actually performs like a real pressure washer or just sound impressive. The product is typically sold as a compact, hose-connected, or battery-powered device, advertised to clean cars, patios, and outdoor surfaces with high-pressure performance. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Portable water sprayers and low-pressure washers do exist, and they can be useful for light cleaning tasks like rinsing dirt or washing cars. However, here's the key issue. There's no evidence that the Qinux Aquoxis delivers true pressure washer performance. Real pressure washers are measured in PSI, pounds per square inch, and most portable devices like this fall far below the power needed for deep cleaning. There are also several red flags in how it's marketed. Claims of professional-level pressure from a small handheld device. Heavy discounts and limited-time offers. Lack of clear technical specifications like PSI or motor details. Rebranded versions of similar products sold under different names. Looking at user expectations, this is where many people get disappointed. Devices like this often behave more like a strong garden hose attachment rather than a true pressure washer. User experiences with similar products are mixed. Some people find them useful for light rinsing, but many report that they don't remove tough stains, grime, or mold as advertised. It's also important to understand that real pressure washing requires significant power, usually from electric or gas-powered units, not small portable gadgets. So, is Qinux Aquoxis a real or fake pressure washer? It's a real product, but it's not a true pressure washer and doesn't deliver performance its marketing suggests. The bottom line is that Qinux Aquoxis is an overhyped cleaning device that may handle basic tasks, but falls short of real pressure washing power. So expectations should be kept realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.